Hey guys, it's Andy the Beard Practitioner again and ready for another review. Hey guys, this is Andy the Beard Practitioner again, and guess what? I have another beard product for you. It is from Black Rebel Beard Company, and this time it's called Sasquatch. So the first thing you want to know is probably the price of it. It is $29.99 if you buy it as a single, or if you want to, and I highly suggest this, sign up for a subscription and you're going to get 16% off, 16.66%, which rounds it up to around $26.99. Definitely a good deal. You will, for the end of the month, only get an oil from what I see, but you're getting an amazing scent, and I absolutely think that Pedro, with this one, is definitely hitting on all cylinders with his scent mixology. So I absolutely suggest getting this for that. The other thing that I wanted to talk about was the fact that this was an amazing scent. Holy moly. I just cannot stop raving about how great this scent was. What you pick up is a tobacco with an oud, but kind of a darkness to it. And to me, cologne meets tobacco. That's what I'm going to tell you. The tobacco is that earthy kind of tobacco, and holy moly, just great scent. Now, the other thing that really sets him apart right now is the fact that he is kicking it in all cylinders with Feel & Beard. The Feel & Beard is due to the fact that he previously was using emu oil, which I had never heard of. He upped his game, and I was like, that emu oil is amazing. I had it with Super Scout, and then he upped his game even further with this product, which is ostrich oil. So ostrich oil has been used throughout history, all the way back to Egyptian times, as a great remedy for skin issues. And this definitely meets up to what expectations were with this. Great feel on your skin, no beard itch, feels amazing, and then the nourishment that you got in your hair was amazing. I think that this is one of the top tier oils I have ever had, and I've tried hundreds of companies, so this ostrich oil is something to be set apart, is next level great. And then you throw this cologne tobacco scent with this darkness in it. You have a home run with this. So Pedro, great job. Absolutely love this.